We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know it, that a sight to see. Take my time, then take your clothes off one more time maybe. Acting like you don't recall it and I'm face in your face.
So hi guys, thank you so much for watching my previous video. I hope napatawa ko kayong lahat. So guys, ngayon we will going to do the mukbang challenge. Gagawin natin is kakainin natin yung 91 tokneneng. Kaso dapat 100 tokneneng siya. Kaso nga lang yung dalawa kinain ng anak ko. Yung iba baog. Baog eh. Baka magagawa pa sa itlog na baog. Huh? Baog yun eh. Char. So,
what? What the fuck?
What are we waiting for? Let's go! So here we go guys. We have here a tokneneng challenge. So, before that, before natin tong lafangin, nakikita nyo naman it's color violet kasi I want to have a twist sa color ng tokneneng kasi mostly it's orange, right? So I use color violet para maiba naman and and yung sauce is color violet as well. So what are we waiting for again? So there guys, before tayo magbumukbang, I'll explain it to you nga pala. So, mukbang with question and answer portion. With the question and answer portion, yung drop a question, then I'll answer it honestly. So, ito sana yung first content ko. Kaso nga lang, all the questions are very personal. I really want to take time how to answer it. Kasi nakakasakit ng damdamin. Char. It's about personal life. Pero, Kebs, okay lang din naman. Let's see if iiyak ako or magtatarantado na naman. So, abang-abang na girl. Ito, before ko a-answeran tong mga question na to, before I'm going to introduce all the questions, kakain muna tayo. Kasi, hindi ako nakakain kaninang tanghalian. Kasi sabi ko, I'll reserve my tummy. Char! Reserve. Naga-ano ko guys, bilo-bilo, char. Huh? Okay, so we will going to eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ga-nerd. There guys, before we will going to answer the first question and introduce it to you, kakain muna tayo kasi gutom ako girl. Gutom ako. Gusto nyo guys? Gusto nyo? Char. Tingnan natin kung maubos ko lahat. Okay. Kaya ko. Kaya mo yun, girl. Okay guys. It's ready free. Sabi na nakakain ko kanina. But before that, mag-advertise muna tayo guys. Advertise! Guys, if you want langgaw, if you want suka, where my father is selling suka, it's 600 per container. It's per container. It's 600 pesos only. If you want to buy, just go in our house. Ano ko po dyan, link. Okay guys, last. Then we will going to answer a question. The first question. 24. Okay guys, so here's the first question. I'll read it to you guys. Repeat after me, Char. What are your thoughts or perspectives about second chance? For me, second chance, it's okay guys, so I'll answer this question based on my experience. Char. Okay, so for me, second chance is something that you really need to think so many times, siguro. Pero bago mo muna ibigay yung second chance na yan, try to think if it's worth ba, or if he will going to change or she will going to change anything just to make your relationship better. Bago ka sumugal, isipin mo muna kung magiging olat sa naman ba tayo o magiging igol tayo. Ganun. So, dapat ready ka. If you will going to be olats or igol, or magiging successful yung relationship nyo, why don't you give another chance to a person but with the limitations? And always set a deadline. Kasi not all the time you really need to be marupok. Dapat sigurado ka na he is very sincere na. Not like nung dati na bibigyan mo siya ng chance, sisirain lang din naman yung tiwala. Okay guys, so try to do the trial and error like in math. Problem solving. Try nyo na paulit-ulit. If it will work, then it's better. If it will not, at least you tried. Na-try nyo na you have that eager to settle or to arrange your relationship together with your partner. Yung hindi mo sinukuan agad-agad. Kasi guys, kung sinukuan nyo yung relasyon nyo agad-agad, isipin nyo lang yung masasayang. Yung, ang boring naman kasi, yung ang hirap mag-umpisa sa una kapag nagka-relasyon ka naman sa iba. 'Di ba? Ang hirap i-explain anong pangalan ng nanay mo, anong pangalan ng tatay mo, anong color mo, anong paborito mong color, 'di ba? And your all personal things, personal matters in your life. Do the trial and error, but take note. Use one formula, like a relationship, like your jowa. Don't make a little detour just to make yourself comfortable and happy because you're broke. No, it's not. Focus on your partner. Don't make a little detour, girl. Kasi mahirap yun. Kung gusto mong isettle yung relasyon nyo, huwag kang humanap ng iba. If you want that second chance, huwag kang humanap ng iba. Don't make a little detour. Huwag mo siyang lokohin because you're asking another chance. Kailangan magbago ka. Prove it to her or him na ibang-iba ka na ngayon. Yung ibang-iba na yung dating mo, yung pag-uugali mo, hindi ka namang magloloko, ganun. Yung ugali mo na hindi na niya kayang i-carry pa. I don't believe, guys, in hindi ka na masaya sa relasyon, kaya mo siya iiwan. No guys, I don't believe in that. Oh my God. Mafo-fall out of love tayo kung may third party. That's so there guys. That is my perspective and thoughts sa second chance. It's based on my experience only. Based on my experience, not yours, Char. Okay, so reminder for all the people that will going to ask another chance, Try to prove yourself and don't do stupid things again. Kasi, hindi yun nakakatuwa. Nakakasakit pa kayo ng damdamin. Kung gusto mo din naman mag-enjoy pa pala sa ibang babae, try to enjoy everything doon sa kabila. Huwag kang bumalik sa kanya. Kasi, sinasaktan mo siya ng sobra. You're not helping her to move on or any positive things. No, it's not. It's bad. Alam mo yung dapat isipin mo yung masasaktan siya. Don't think about yourself lang only, diba? Don't be so selfish. Because you're happy, you will enjoy it by yourself only. No. It's bad, okay? And to those people na kaya nyo ibigay yung second chance, always remember, you take the risk to give them another chance. Deal with the consequences. If they will not going to change for the better, I know, nakasalanan niya din yon, pero you have your own part. Nakasalanan mo din, nagbigay ka ng second chance without any assurance. Dapat prepare yourself bago ka magbigay ng second chance. Dapat, magbibigay ka ng second chance, dapat you're strong enough to deal with the consequences. If your relationship will be better, or your relationship will end up nothing. So, there guys, that's my answer. So, bago natin, it's mukbang guys. Kakain muna tayo. Ayan, kanina 4, diba? Ito pang 5. Kakain tayo guys, kakain. So guys, here's the second question. Oh, by the way, the first question is from my batchmate. Her name is Alea Valerita Roja. And guys, just want to flex her business. She has online business. Please visit her page. It's Alea's Corner. Sa mga taga-antique dyan, guys, support her small business. So, here's the second question, guys. It's from my classmate and batchmate as well. It's from Ermeline Metran. Just to want to flex her, guys. If you want to subscribe on her YouTube channel, the name, I think it's Bobby Chuchu. Yeah, I think it's Bobby Chuchu. Meg, hi. And what is your biggest achievement in life? For me, my biggest achievement in life are I gave birth with my 2 angels safely. It's my achievement, guys, kasi ang hirap manganak. The labor, yung moment na nagli-labor ka, girl, ang sakit nun, girl. It's not that easy na masasabi mo yung masakit. Yung nagli-labor ka, it's not that easy, guys, na mag-aakala kang masakit na yung tiyan mo. Hindi. Kung para may kabag ka lang, hindi, girl. It's different. Yung kapag nagli-labor ka, masakit siya, girl. Yung parang, alam mo yung barena, yung parang ginagrind yung tiyan mo, masakit siya. It's not that simple na sakit lang. Okay? Sa gustong maging nanay dyan, isip-isipin nyo, masakit siya sobra. Kasi nga, sabi din nila, giving birth to a child is 50-50 na sa hukay, 50-50 mabubuhay. Yung kabilang paa mo nasa hukay, yung kabilang paa mo mabubuhay ka. Yon. That's my biggest achievement so far. So far pa lang, guys. Giving birth to my 2 angels. And that is my biggest achievement in life so far. So far, guys. Yun lang muna yung achievement ko. Pero marami pa akong i-achieve para sa mga anak. It's on process na, process. Gagawin na lahat nga, diba?